this is how we transformed this Lamborghini Huracan. Okay, so behind me is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo, and what this car is getting is a full car wrap in gloss orange by Hexis. As you can see, the wing mirrors are already off. We've already made a start on the car, but I'm going to show you the wrap now and we'll jump straight into the video. So this is the wrap that we'll be using, gloss orange by Hexis, and let's jump into applying this wrap on the car. We will start off with the bonnet, then move on to the side wings and doors. Honestly, you do not want to miss the finished product on this Huracan. It looks absolutely insane. So stick around to the end of the video to see that. If you are interested in getting your car or parts of your car wrapped, then check the link in the description to get in touch with us today. After applying the final details and the stripe, the car is now complete. So let's show you this finished wrap. The wrap is complete, so here is the finished car. In the sunlight, this orange wrap looks absolutely gorgeous. So if you do think that we did a good job on this car, then let us know in the comments or drop a like on the video. It helps out our channel massively. And don't forget to subscribe while you're there for more videos like this. And until that video, goodbye.